Have you ever wondered what happens to your body when you take Ozempic or other weight loss drugs? Are these medications a magic solution, or do they come with hidden consequences? Today, we're uncovering the science behind these popular treatments and what they really do to your body. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm thrilled you're joining us for this important discussion. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Let's dive into the facts and insights about Ozempic and weight loss medications. The landscape of weight loss is changing. Medications like Ozempic are capturing headlines, offering a new approach to shedding pounds. These drugs, originally developed for type 2 diabetes, work by regulating blood sugar levels, and have shown remarkable effectiveness in weight management. Ozempic is part of a class of drugs called GLP-1 receptor agonists. These medications mimic the action of a naturally occurring hormone in our bodies that plays a crucial role in appetite regulation and digestion. By activating these receptors, Ozempic slows down gastric emptying, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing your overall calorie intake. The excitement surrounding Ozempic is understandable, especially for individuals struggling with obesity, a complex and often frustrating condition. However, as with any medication, it's vital to understand both the potential benefits and risks before considering Ozempic as a weight loss solution. This essay explores the science behind Ozempic, examining its mechanism of action, clinical efficacy, potential side effects, and the ongoing debates surrounding its use. Remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider to determine the best course of action for your individual needs. Imagine a messenger delivering crucial instructions to different parts of your body. That's essentially what hormones do, and GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, is one such messenger involved in regulating blood sugar and appetite. Ozempic, a GLP-1 receptor agonist, works by mimicking the effects of GLP-1 in the body. Here's how it works. When you eat, your intestines release GLP-1, signaling your pancreas to produce insulin, which helps your body utilize glucose from food. Ozempic enhances this natural process, leading to better blood sugar control, particularly in individuals with type 2 diabetes. But the benefits of Ozempic extend beyond blood sugar regulation. GLP-1 also acts on the brain, specifically in areas that control appetite and satiety. By activating GLP-1 receptors in the brain, Ozempic promotes feelings of fullness, reduces hunger cravings, and ultimately leads to a decrease in calorie intake. This dual action of Ozempic, targeting both blood sugar and appetite, makes it a potentially powerful tool for weight management. However, it's important to remember that Ozempic is not a magic bullet. Its effectiveness relies on a multifaceted approach that includes lifestyle modifications like diet and exercise. The efficacy of Ozempic in weight loss is not merely anecdotal, it's backed by robust clinical trials. These studies have consistently demonstrated significant weight reductions in individuals taking Ozempic compared to those on placebo. In a landmark study published in the New England Journal of Medicine, participants taking Ozempic achieved an average weight loss of 14.9% over 68 weeks, while the placebo group lost only 2.4%. These results are impressive, highlighting Ozempic's potential to address obesity, a chronic condition often resistant to traditional weight loss methods. Furthermore, the weight loss observed with Ozempic is not limited to a specific subset of individuals. Studies have shown consistent results across different age groups, body mass indexes, and ethnicities, suggesting that Ozempic's benefits are broadly applicable. However, it's crucial to recognize that clinical trials often represent ideal conditions, and real-world results may vary. Factors such as adherence to medication, dietary habits, and physical activity levels can all influence the effectiveness of Ozempic. Section 4. The price of slimness. Potential side effects of Ozempic. While Ozempic holds promise for weight loss, it's essential to acknowledge the potential side effects associated with its use. Like any medication, Ozempic can cause adverse reactions, some mild and temporary, others potentially more serious. The most common side effects reported with Ozempic are gastrointestinal in nature, including nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and constipation. These symptoms typically occur at the beginning of treatment and tend to subside as the body adjusts to the medication. Starting with a low dose and gradually increasing, it can help minimize these initial side effects. In rare cases, Ozempic has been linked to more serious adverse events such as pancreatitis, gallbladder problems, and kidney issues. It's crucial to be aware of these potential risks and seek immediate medical attention if you experience severe abdominal pain, persistent vomiting, jaundice, or changes in urination. Furthermore, Ozempic can lower blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes but may pose a risk of hypoglycemia in those without the condition. Symptoms of hypoglycemia include dizziness, confusion, sweating, and tremors. Carrying glucose tablets or juice can help counteract low blood sugar if it occurs. Section 5. Uncharted territory, long-term effects and ongoing debates. While Ozempic has been studied extensively for its short-term effects, long-term data on its safety and efficacy are still emerging. This lack of comprehensive information has sparked ongoing debates and concerns regarding the widespread use of Ozempic for weight loss. One concern revolves around the potential for rebound weight gain after stopping Ozempic. As with many weight loss interventions, maintaining weight loss often requires ongoing lifestyle modifications. Without addressing underlying dietary and exercise habits, individuals may regain weight once they discontinue Ozempic. Another area of debate is the potential for Ozempic to mask the symptoms of other underlying medical conditions. Rapid weight loss can sometimes indicate an undiagnosed health issue, and relying solely on Ozempic might delay proper diagnosis and treatment. Furthermore, the long-term effects of chronically altering GLP-1 signaling pathways remain unknown. While current research suggests that Ozempic is safe for long-term use, continued monitoring and research are necessary to fully understand its potential implications. Section 6. Personalizing your approach, weighing the risks and benefits. The decision to use Ozempic for weight loss is a personal one that should be made in consultation with your healthcare provider. They can assess your individual circumstances, medical history, and potential risks and benefits to determine if Ozempic is an appropriate option for you. When considering Ozempic, it's crucial to have realistic expectations. While it can be an effective tool for weight management, it's not a quick fix or a substitute for healthy lifestyle choices. Ozempic works best as part of a comprehensive approach that includes a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and behavioral therapy. Moreover, it's essential to be aware of the potential side effects and risks associated with Ozempic. If you experience any adverse reactions, promptly report them to your doctor. They can help manage side effects, adjust your dosage, or explore alternative treatment options if necessary. Remember, weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all journey. What works for one person may not work for another. Finding the right approach often involves a combination of strategies tailored to your specific needs and goals. Section 7. The final word, Ozempic, in the larger context of health. The advent of medications like Ozempic marks a significant shift in how we approach weight loss. These drugs offer new hope for individuals struggling with obesity, a complex and often stigmatized condition. However, it's crucial to approach Ozempic with a balanced perspective, recognizing both its potential benefits and limitations. Ozempic is not a magic bullet, and its effectiveness relies on a multifaceted approach that includes lifestyle modifications. Furthermore, it's essential to be aware of the potential side effects and the ongoing debates surrounding its long-term use. Ultimately, the decision to use Ozempic for weight loss is a personal one that should be made in close consultation with your healthcare provider. By carefully weighing the risks and benefits, you can make informed choices that align with your overall health and well-being. Remember, true health extends beyond the number on the scale. It encompasses nourishing your body with wholesome foods, engaging in regular physical activity, managing stress, and cultivating a positive relationship with yourself. Ozempic, if used appropriately, can be one piece of the puzzle in your journey towards a healthier and happier you. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What was your favorite part, or what would you like to see next? Thanks for watching, and let's keep the conversation going.